Hi, I'm Karthik from Marketing Sales. Welcome back to my Market channel. In this video, and as soon as the calls are done, you will have a long list of call log, which has the recording and the logs and the transcript also. And this is how the calls are made through VAPI. And before getting into the collection of data or like output of VAPI, I will just show you some VAPI features. Like you can integrate with external tools like 11 labs, and you can have a more choice of voice, different voice, and you can import numbers directly from VAPI, or from you can import from Vonage as well as Twilio too. And assistants, you can create any number of assistants with the voice, and you can have a you can customize different things like language and voice, temperatures, temperature, and all those are you can use different different configurations to test out all these things. And these are like API things: server URL, client messages, server messages. This can be done for an agent, as well as for a function, as well as at an organization level, as well as for a phone numbers. So I have this have a multiple hierarchy, and functions are have the most priority because it's a local variable. It gets the higher priority, and organization gets the least priority. And this is the key feature. Say at the end of the call, you want to have a collected property. You can collect the property called name, and you can have a description, customer name, or like customer price or something like that. You can have the customer price, and you can have that as a description, customer price, and you can set up an server URL. As I said, it can be configured at multiple level, but function gets the highest priority. You can give a call to your own server URL, or like a make webhook URL, or like pipe dream one. If the webhook URL, we can collect this. They say this is the webhook URL. You can just click on this webhook URL and copy this one and paste it in the server URL. And once that is done, you are good to go. This will collect and the customer price can be collected, and this would be passed to the server URL as soon as you make the right configurations. And then you can have a forwarding number, and what at the end of the call, what it should say. So all those properties can be configured. And so this VAPI offers a variety of options to micromanage each and everything. How the agent calls the customer, everything can be configured in a different way and tested also. And when coming back to the collection of data, or like output collection from VAPI to your CRM, we should have a separate scenario which can collect and process the scenario as per the client requirement, or like as per the needs of the business or the client. Say you can collect the output of the customer data through webhook or through an API call. I prefer the webhook. As I shown you, you can configure it at the function level or like the organization level, whichever you need. If you make a API call, where you can have where VAPI has a separate complete document for API thing, and you can go through all the data. Otherwise, if you need any help in setting up such integration with the AI callers, you can schedule a call with us through the link given in the description, and we will be happy to help with you for integration of any AI agents with your CRM, or like setting up AI bots for you. and I prefer the API call. So just because we want to collect every data, not just a specific data, or like after a specific period of time, we want to collect the complete data out of VAPI and channel it through multiple ways. And good thing is like there are like advanced functions, 2-3 advanced functions we do. One is like we can have a booking appointment sync with your CRM calendar, and we can tell the VAPI if the customer has already booked, trying to book a call with us, but which is already booked, we can suggest an alternate options. So that so much that particular date and time is not available, you can book an alternate date. That also can be configurable. And other thing is like you can have all the output data like the call transcript and pass it to ChatGPT and have a concise, precise summary, or like you can check the customer intent and filter those customers to and put them into different buckets, or like in a different set of opportunities or tags in the CRM. And so these are like advanced functions. And third advanced function is even for the incoming call data. As you might know, VAPI supports incoming call also. Incoming call can also be answered by the VAPI agent, AI agent, and that also can be configured to read the variables out of your CRM, and it can converse with the customer while picking up the variables from your CRM. So these are like advanced functions. I will show you 2-3 things here. And say as soon as a request comes in, the data can be passed here. You can pass the data here itself. Here also you can pass the data. It's completely up to you. And once you pass the data, you can set variables, and you can have controls, different controls, like if the call duration is more than this much time, or like you can have you can integrate this to OpenAI, and you can just give a prompt like analyze this call script and share the customer intent based on the conversations. You can chat GPT can analyze the conversation, and it can reply like whether the customer is interested or not interested. And from there also you can pick the filter or branch out the customer to different places. And better you always have a data store, so that you don't have to process the duplicate data, and you can reduce the consumption of operations at make too. And once you branch out the customer, you can always check for whether the customer already exists in your CRM. If it's already exists, you have to update it. Otherwise you can add a note also, like with the recording URL and the transcript and a tag, and push it to the opportunity pipeline at the appropriate pipeline stage. Or if it's a new contact, you can make that also. So this is how the entire process works. And some of these are like very needs very detailed attention. It's better you handle this in a professional way, and get an expert to do this, so that you can have a complete set of operation. And this can eliminate your the need for VAs, and the AI can act as your VA and do wonders for your business, either by qualifying the leads or collecting appointments to your calendar, or like branch, or like placing the lead in appropriate buckets or in opportunities. And as soon as the call gets over, VAPI at the VAPI collects the data and passes the processed data, or like based on the criteria we have set, gets the data and pushes to the go high level CRM. And you can see for this customer, the recording of the call is available in the note section, and the transcript also. And we have a tag also, for specific tag for this customer, to branch out to him, and update in the opportunities, right pipeline, and right at the right stage of. I hope this video helps you. In case if you need any assistance for setting up such AI tools with your CRM or like for your business, do let us know. You can book a call with us through the link given in the description. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing channel. Thanks. Bye.